In this video, we'll discuss the Property or Parcel Mapping tool in ITICnxt. The Property tool lets you create excavation entities based on existing parcel data. The Property tool is perfect for jobs that take place within the property boundaries of a specific address. Select the Property tool from the Drawing Tools menu. You may need to zoom in a bit before the Property tool appears in the menu. Click the property where the work will take place. You will then be asked to specify the portion of the property where the digging will take place. Check all necessary boxes and make sure to include any possible areas of excavation. If you choose the Dig Street Curb-to-Curb option, the entity will expand to include the nearby road right-of-way. ITICnxt will automatically derive location information from your mapping. Thanks for watching.